Have you ever wondered what your food looks like up close? Not just a quick glance, but a deep dive into the microscopic world? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. Today, we're taking a look under the microscope to reveal the stunning, almost alien beauty hidden within your everyday meals. Forget everything you thought you knew about your food, because under the intense gaze of a microscope, ordinary items explode into vibrant micropatterns, more intense and complex than anything you could have imagined. Let's start with something familiar, a simple slice of bread. Under the lens, the seemingly uniform texture transforms. You'll see a network of intricate structures, a tapestry of gluten and starch, creating a landscape of peaks and valleys. It's like a tiny edible mountain range, complete with caves and canyons. The colors are equally surprising, with hues ranging from warm yellows to deep browns, depending on the baking process and ingredients. Next, let's zoom in on a refreshing piece of fruit, maybe an apple. Its smooth surface gives way to a world of cells, each a perfect geometric shape. The colors are even more intense here, with vibrant reds, greens, and yellows painting a breathtaking picture. You can see the tiny structures that give the apple its crunch, the very essence of its flavor, all laid bare for your viewing pleasure. It's a reminder of the complex biology that goes into every bite. And how about your morning coffee? Under the microscope, a coffee bean is a work of art. The dark, rich exterior conceals a world of intricate patterns and textures. You can see the cell walls, the oils, and the tiny crystals that give coffee its unique aroma and taste. It's a testament to the power of nature, turning humble beans into a complex and delightful beverage. Now, let's consider something a bit more unusual, a single grain of salt. It might seem simple, but under the microscope, salt reveals its true crystalline beauty. The perfect cubes, the sharp edges, the way light refracts and dances across the surface. It's a reminder that even the simplest things can be incredibly beautiful when viewed up close. So the next time you eat, take a moment to appreciate the hidden world within your food. Remember that every bite is a journey into a universe of unseen beauty and wonder. These micro patterns, these hidden landscapes, are a constant reminder of the incredible complexity and beauty that surrounds us, even in the most ordinary of things.